Welcome to another episode of Eric's Camping Adventures. I was rummaging through my cart and I found a gift card from my place of work. And I didn't know the gift card was in the little envelope, so I just read the card. I didn't realize it. And so I got some free pod lights from a gift card from work. So shout out to Tina, Lori, and Brina for thank you for the pod lights. Anyway, today I am continuing my project, trying to clean up the bottom of my hondapilot to improve the clearance. So the three items I really cleaned up on the bottom of the pilot were the resonator. I deleted it. I got rid of the rock shield around the charcoal canisters, and I just deleted a spacer up in the spare tire well so that my real size spare had some more space, and basically it cleaned up all of those areas to between 11 and 13 inches of clearance, which makes it a high clearance vehicle at the most critical points. The only parts that remain low are at the rear control arms, are about 8.5 inches. As long as I'm careful, I just need to steer around obstacles and be sensitive to that area. So after deleting this low-hanging, turbulence-creating device, I put in a little straight pipe where the resonator used to be and started her up to see how different she sounded. So I don't know if you can see that little rock shield there, but it actually goes around the charcoal canisters for recirculation of exhaust gas. We're going to take it down and see if it's really necessary to be just how it is. Because of the location of that rock shield, it's in a pretty awkward spot for cresting a mound, especially at the center of the front and rear wheelbase. I think a flat shield held out and spaced from the underside of the body with some washers could definitely replace that. Maybe a few bends in it to prevent a speeding rock from cracking my charcoal canister. So the last thing I was interested in was seeing if I could lift up my real size spare just a little bit higher by lowering it down and seeing if there's anything that could be removed to create a little bit more space. Just want to encourage you to think for yourself when you're trying to improve your clearance on the bottom of your vehicle. It's not all about a big lift. Sometimes it's just about using your brain and thinking outside the box and creating some more space. Again, it's about safety and not damaging the underside of your vehicle. So make sure you're thinking for yourself. Hopefully the next couple videos we'll be getting out into the woods, maybe in the Ozark National Forest, and having a couple adventures with a little more confidence on the dirt roads.